Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI OLED monitor which keeps going black. So here's a fix for your pixel refresh, firmware, cable and power. Fix 1. Check the display cable. Turn off the monitor and your PC. Make sure the HDMI DisplayPort or USB-C cable is securely connected. If possible, try a different cable or the port. Turn the monitor back on. Fix 2. Turn off power saving. Press the joystick or menu button to the monitor. Open settings or system. Select power saving or auto power off. Turn the feature off or increase the timeout. Fix 3. Update graphics drivers. Open your graphics card software or visit the GPU manufacturer's website. Download and install the latest graphics driver. Restart your computer. Fix 4. Check your OLED care features. Open the monitor settings menu, go to LED, OLED care or panel protect. If the screen goes black briefly during a scheduled panel refresh, let the process finish. Avoid unplugging the monitor while the refresh is running. Fix 5. Reset the monitor. Open the monitor settings menu, select reset or factory reset. Confirm the reset, test the monitor again. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.